Hey, what's up, my millionaire brothers? So, in the start of video, as you can see here, this time the crypto market is totally in the losing ICU. This time you can see here on the top cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, our cryptocurrency 11%, 12%, 14%, 20%. You can see here XRP also 20% going down. Just Tether has gone up, my friend. But otherwise, all cryptocurrency Cardano is also falls down, my friend. Oh my god, Dutch coin. Oh my god, I can't believe this Dutch coin also. And those days going very fastly, but I don't know how is it possible to Dutch coin as falls down. And this time we talk about the XLM, but this time you can see here all crypto markets is going down. So how is it possible to XLM has gone up? Let's see towards the chain occur and legs. Oh my goodness, absolutely I am right. Stellar XLM this time also minus 20.23% falls down, my friend. And you can see here on the chart this time very badly fell, but in last previous days you can see here they going up very fastly, but I can't believe this. To how is it possible today going down in the last 24 hours? So let's see to what's going on, what we do. This is the live price prediction of XRP, my friend. Please keep touch with us, don't skip any video. Please like my video. If you enjoyed this video, just like button, click the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest more this type videos, my friend. And the last 24 hours, if you can see here, they are straightly going down. They are straightly going down. And this time there's some very high tech bet fails. You can see here, this time they again falls down, my brother. I think XLM falls down and this time, but I hope in upcoming days they're going up. Here is, you can see here, this is the average line, if you can see here. So here as no bad falls and no bad jumps, here as just a straight line, my friend. So they are going and the straight, I think in upcoming days they absolutely going up, because so this is the formula and a crypto market. To after bad falls they take a very high jump. Absolutely, this is the formula, this is the tip. If you know about this, then please learn it towards how they move in upcoming days. So my friends, this time if you can see here they falls down, and I hope in upcoming days they're moving up. So my prediction is that today are moving up, and our target as 0.63 US dollar. Absolutely our target as 0.6263, but this time you can see here exactly they can cross it and just end at this time, but they are falls down in the last. Let's check out in the last 2 hour a change occur to what's going on in the last 2 hour exactly. Oh my goodness, the price is come to 0.571973 US dollar. This time if you could see here, my friends, the main point is here. You can see here the resistance is here. You can see here this is circulation. They take a area of bad falls and they take again jump. Oh my goodness, they falls down, and I hope my prediction is that today going up in upcoming days. What you say? This is circulation. You can see here after fails they take a jump, after fails they take a jump. Absolutely, and this is jump type. You can see here they cross it 0.6. I think they can cross, no sorry, 0.56 US dollar. They can cross it. The price is 0.56, they can cross it. But and this time you can see here 0.57 US dollar as the same current price, and I think you can see here this is the current price, my friends. They can easily hit it, the price and to half US dollar. They already hit it, and I hope they can cross 1 US dollar at the end of this month. What you say, can they can hit it? I hope they can hit it, but after their bet fails they starting jumping, then this is possible today going up. My friends, this time minus 14.9% they going down, but I hope in upcoming days they 20.50% they going up. So please wait for a good time, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. XLM holder, please wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.